So this video is going to be showing you how you can add a user onto your GoDaddy account. So first things first, of course, you want to sign in. All right. If I can type at gmail.com and then password. There we go. And then you want to go, we'll do the DJ marketing concepts. So we're going to go to manage, and then it'll bring you to this screen. You don't really care about this one actually. So you go down to the quick links, go to manage domain. And then on this left side here, you'll see settings. And then you go to delegate access. So I already tested it out, giving a different email. We're going to go invite to access. We're going to do another email that I have. We're going to do that. And we're going to do to Josh at Josh and DannySEO.com. And then you don't want to give access level products, domains, and purchases because you don't want anybody having that control to make purchases on your behalf. What you'd want to do is, or at least without your knowledge in that regard, you'd want to go down to products and domains. That means they only have control over DNS and stuff like that. Products and domains, and invite. So as you can see, access levels pending. So let's see, we're going to go to this, add another account. I'm just going to go into my other account just to show what it would look like. And Danny, go.
I saw you playing.
There it is. Next. And then password. All right. Cancel. Gmail. And there it is. I'm wondering why I got an email after that. X out and accept access. Once you do, confirm access. We're going to do that. It says that, but if you hit it again, there you go. As you can see, access level is pending, and it's usually 24 to 48 hours it will allow it. But that's it. That's how you add someone to your GoDaddy account.